Alright, what up, y'all? So I'm late, but 2019 SS Diffuser coming off, putting a gloss black one on here, and this exhaust coming off. We got you see the boxes over there. We got some Corsa Extremes going on, so we're getting this diffuser loose at first. So it's just a bunch of 7mm bolts all through there, and a T15 on each side. And I think it's just some clips, so we should just be able to pull this off. So, yeah, stick around. All right, so we got this, all that stuff loose. It is one bolt on both sides right here, 7mm. So you get that from up in there. And yeah, I'm thinking the rest of this, we just gonna pull it off. So we're just trying to double check, make sure. And it should just be clips and just pull it straight out. Alright, reflectors gotta come off to go on the new one. It's just one regular screw on each one. And this little push-in thing.